Hi student, this video is about inequalities. Okay, before me explain about form of inequalities, okay, let's me explain about the symbol of inequalities. Okay, for the symbol of inequalities, we have four type of symbol. The first one is greater than. Okay, second one, we have greater than, and then we have equal sign, mean greater than or equal to. Okay, next, number 3, we have less than, and number 4, we have symbol less than, and then we have equal sign, means less than or equal to. Okay, next we proceed with form of inequalities. We have 3 forms of inequalities. The first one is inequality. Inequality, for example, we have x less than 5. Okay, B, we have x greater than C, and C, we have x less than equal to 3 greater to -1. Okay, this is the first form of inequalities. The second form is in interval form. Okay, for interval form, we have 2 type of bracket. The first bracket is open bracket. Okay, this one is open bracket, and the second one we have close bracket. How to know we want to use open or close brackets is actually based on sign of inequality or symbol of inequality. If we have the symbol just less than or greater than these two, we will use open brackets, mean inequality without equal sign. So close bracket is used when we have inequality with equal sign. Okay, for example, based on example A, we have x less than 5. Okay, if we have x less than 5, so this is without equal sign, so we will use open bracket. So we will write less than 5, and then to left hand side, less than 5, so to left hand side we have -infinity. So the bracket for negative or positive infinity is open bracket. Or B, if we have x greater than C, so this is symbol without equal sign, so we will use open bracket. So C positive infinity. Or C, we have x less than equal to 3 greater than -1. So we have two symbol of inequalities. The first one without equal sign, so we will use open bracket. Okay, number 2, we have less than and equal sign, so we will use close bracket. So equal to, okay, less than on your right hand side 3 and then -1. Okay, next number 3 is a real number line. Okay, this is a horizontal line, is a real number line. For example, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. This is real number line. And then for real number line, we will use either black dots or white dot. Okay, if we have, for example, A, x less than 5, okay, we will use a white dot since there is no equal sign here, no equal sign or open bracket, so we will use a white dot. So for example 4, 5, so x less than 5, white dot, and move to left. For B, we have x greater equal to 3, just put 3 here, and then greater to the right, and we have equal sign, black dot. C, x less than equal to -1, so just put -1 here, and then black dot, move to left. Or D, we have x less equal to 3 greater equal to -1, so we have -1 and 3. So -1 here is close bracket, so this is white, sorry, open bracket white, close bracket black. So white, blacks, and then just draw a line. So now let's see some example how we write the inequalities in these three form. So form number 1, inequality. Okay, column number 2, interval. And column number 3, real number line. Okay, for example, number 1, we have x less than 2. So for interval notation, okay, we check the symbol of inequalities. Since we don't have equal sign, so interval notation we will use open bracket. Okay, if less than 2, if you have A, B, so less mean you need to put your value at B. Okay, 2 less than 2 mean negative infinity. And then for real number line, we have value 2 and then less than 2. So since we have open bracket, or our inequality symbol is don't have equal sign, so we use white dot. Move to left. This is first example. Okay, second example, if we have x greater equal to 5, so we have equal sign mean close bracket. So close bracket 5 greater than to positive infinity. So you need to remember a negative infinity and positive infinity, we will use open bracket. And then real number line, we have number 5. Since close bracket, white black dot, and move to right. Okay, number 3. We have x less than equal to 3 greater than 0. So we have two symbols of inequalities. On your left hand side, this is open bracket. Okay, right side we will use close bracket because we have equal sign. So left open 0 and right side 3 close. And then how to write in real number line? Okay, we have two value here. We have 0 and 3. For example number 1 and 2, we just have one value. And then for 0, we have open bracket mean white dot, 3 close bracket black dot, and then draw a line. Okay, next number 4, x less than 7 greater equal to 2. So left side inequality symbol, we will use close bracket, and then right side we will use open bracket. So close bracket 2 7, and then draw a real number line. We have value 2 and 7. Okay, 2 black dot and 7 white dot. Okay, number 5. If we have x greater than 5 union with x less than equal to 4. So we have two inequalities here. This is number 1, this is number 2. So for number 1, you have does not equal sign, so we will use open bracket. And number 2, inequalities number 2, we will use close bracket. So interval form, just write x greater than 5 mean 5 positive infinity, and then we have symbol union. Okay, number 2, we have x less than equal to 4 close bracket. negative infinity 4 close bracket. And then how we write in real number line? Okay, you have number 4 and 5. This is number 4 and 5. So 5. Okay, x less than 4. Black dot. X greater than 5. White dot. Okay, one more example. Okay, number 6. X less than negative 1 union x greater than 3. So for the first inequalities, we have open bracket. Second inequality, open bracket, also open bracket. So for the first inequality, x less than negative 1, so negative infinity, negative 1, and then we have union sign. Okay, x greater than 3, 3 positive infinity, and then for real number line, negative 1, 3, okay, negative 1, so both white dot. Okay, thank you.